right, got everything together. Oh, it's a beautiful sunny day. I got 3 shows today, and I'm leaving about a half an hour or so early. The weather's nice like this, the standard is a half an hour. But if it's snowy or if the weather is questionable, I'll leave like 45 minutes early to the show. And got my Ford Ranger. Just turned off from the remote start. Keep everything in my truck overnight except my guitar. Bring my guitar in, load it up right here behind everything. There we go. Load up everything in the truck. Everything fits perfectly. And got my lunch packed for the day, and we are ready to go on the road. So let's hit it. Okay, we are almost at the first show of the day in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And this is a town that is way out in the middle of the woods. And there is lots of farmland and lots of old houses and barns and lots of really cool hills and meadows and stone walls to look at on the drive. It's one of those towns that I feel like always gets worse weather than everybody else. Like, you only got like 8 inches of snow. Oh, we got like 2 feet, like one of those types of towns. And this is a community I'm going to. This is a memory care. And it's a small community. I think there's maybe 30 residents total in this community. And if you look at the number of total residents there, you can usually plan on at least half of them showing up at the show. And there's a small little dining room that I typically play out for them. And morning show, memory care. It's going to be a nice, cozy little vibe. And this being such a sunshiny day, that dining room gets a lot of light, so it's going to look really cool. The location is on the top of a hill, and the residents, their windows face these rolling hills, and you've got a lot of views of the mountains, and it's very quiet. And the drive along, you see lots of cows in the pasture, and it's kind of like just one of those old village towns where there's lots of spaces in between houses, and it just seems like there's a lot of old history here. Deerfield has one of New England's largest fairs, and it's like the largest agricultural fair, I think, in New England. But we got 3 shows today, and I'm just getting to the first one here. It's called the Inn at Deerfield. So I got some comfortable clothes on today. And I've got my flannel shirt. And this is just a comfortable gig shirt. I also I have a nice shirt underneath this. Like if I have to shed a layer really quick, I can do that. I also brought my fan. It's about 39 degrees. It's exactly 39 degrees. And you can never really expect like what the weather is going to be during the day, and you can't expect like what the temperature is going to be in the show. So I always prepare with a fan and some kind of a comfortable performance shirt. 3 gigs might seem like a lot, but if you prepare and you pace yourself throughout the shows and you don't overexert yourself, I think it's a very manageable number. So we're gonna go ahead and do this first show of the day. All right, we're just about to do a show, and this is a pretty small community. It's a beautiful day. It's in beautiful Deerfield, New Hampshire, and I've got my kit right here, and we are gonna go inside and make everybody happy, cheer everybody up, and have a great time sharing music and melodies. Hey. Black Hills of Dakota, there lived a young boy named Rocky Raccoon. One day his woman ran off with another guy. It hit young Rocky in the eye. Rocky didn't like that. He said, I'm gonna get that boy.
410, so you're right across the hall with that big car.
Off the magic dragon lives by the sea, and frolics in the autumn mist in a land called Honolulu. When clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, the band will slow down, but we'll yell for some more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock until broad daylight. We're gonna rock up, rock up, round the clock tonight. Just finished up a good show here at Villa Crest and all the residents, and had a great time. And filling the room with music and love, and everybody appears to be pretty happy. So, on to the next show. All right, that is a wrap. We just finished up a show for the residents here, and it was a lot of fun. And it feels really good to wrap up the day on a good note. Got everybody singing those last few songs together. And this is a nice little theme here. Oh, it's reversed. It says love and laugh. Anyway, that's what we do for memory care communities. It's about loving and laughing. It's about cheering everybody up. It's about making everybody happy. You have a great afternoon. It's about creating those special moments with everybody, because we do one moment at a time. Yeah, buddy. Finished up 3 shows today, and attendance was great on every single show. So the trick is, when you're doing multiple shows during a day, is to not give too much energy and too much enthusiasm and too much, like, what am I trying to say? Don't wear yourself out, exactly, like for the first show. And you want to make sure that you have energy for everybody throughout the show. And as the show begins, then start to deliver more and more and more. And just kind of balance it out with softer songs and then high energy, because you want to sound great the first show and the last show. So it's starting to get a little bit overcast today, and it's starting to get a little bit windy, but we had a decent amount of sunshine through today, and I think that the music helped brighten the whole day for all the residents there. So lots of fun. Got to get on the road again, not too far of a drive home, and that's a 3-show day. See you next time.